Carryboy Motorhome Suspension Maintenance. Our Carryboy Motorhome Suspension, we have two different brands for you to select, the AC Power and the Ironman 4x4. Our Carryboy Motorhome suspensions have a total warranty of 1 year. For the suspension, we will be adding in 4 additional shock absorbers and also a stabilizer for a more stabilized motorhome experience. The warranty will begin on the day that the motorhome is delivered. Every 6 months, the motorhome has to be brought in to the specific company for maintenance. Once our customer has received their motorhome, they can bring the motorhome over into the AC Power or Ironman for personal customizations. You can personalize the customization for the suspension both with AC Power and Ironman to suit your personal likings. And every single suspension that has been changed, you can bring your Carryboy motorhome over into their specific company and do a free checkup for the entirety of your Carryboy motorhome usage.